Hey everyone, this is George here, the founder and CEO of Xfigura. We're super excited to be launching Visione, our agent, at the London Creates event. Here's a few things that we got up to. So we kicked off the week with a workshop with Zaha. This was part of a larger exhibition on how they're collaborating with us and using AI in practice. Then came the main event, the official launch of Visione. So Visione is architectural intelligence, not a general image model. It's an agentic chat built in 4 layers: generate, memory, search, and tools. It remembers what you've made and decided. It reads your documents securely and is able to search the web. It works with the software you already use, including Revit and Rhino, and every output ties back to a source of truth, not the big model's best guess. Then we handed the stage to people who actually are using Visione and are using Xfigura. KPF, Zaha, Arup, Big, and Populous all got up and showed their latest and greatest. Thanks everyone, stay tuned. Looking forward to seeing you on the canvas.